In this video, we will discuss a study that suggests it may be possible to manufacture batteries that are less destructive to the environment by using a chemical that is found in the shells of crabs and lobsters. According to Liangbing Hu, director of the University of Maryland Center for Materials Innovation and lead author of the paper, biodegradability and battery performance are important for a commercial product. Batteries are needed for the world to keep moving toward renewable energy sources and electric cars. Chemicals used in traditional batteries, such as lithium-ion, can take centuries to degrade. These oxidizing chemicals have the potential to catch fire. Consumer electronics have been linked to the starting of fires in aeroplanes, landfills, and recycling facilities, among other places. Researchers from the University of Maryland created battery technology out of crustacean shells. The exoskeletons of crustaceans are made up of cells that contain chitin. Chitin provides strength and toughness to shells. Fungi and insects are rich in this substance. It's a common restaurant food waste and a byproduct of the food industry. It has been studied for a long time for its potential applications in biomedical engineering, as a wound dressing and anti-inflammatory, as well as in electrical engineering. Chitin can be transformed into a solid gel membrane by utilizing a variety of chemical processes in conjunction with an aqueous solution of acetic acid. This product can be used in the role of an electrolyte for a battery. It does this by facilitating the movement of charged ions from one end of the battery to the other, which results in the storage of energy. Hu's team combined chitosan electrolyte with zinc, which is a naturally occurring metal that is used in the manufacturing of inexpensive and risk-free batteries. The battery maintains an energy efficiency of 99.7% even after 1,000 cycles, which is equivalent to 400 hours. They can be quickly charged and discharged without affecting their performance in any way. According to Hu, the performance demonstrates the utility of chitosan-based materials. Batteries that are based on chitosan degrade in soil within 5 months, leaving behind recyclable zinc. The remaining 2/3 are suitable for recycling. According to Antonio J. Fernández Romero, a professor of material sciences at the University of Cartagena in Spain, these are outstanding properties. One of the most important things to develop in the coming years is environmentally friendly, low-cost, high-capacity batteries, he said. This is one of the most important things to develop. This needs to be developed in the years to come. He emphasized the biodegradability of the material. It appeared as though the system was working properly at this point. It needs to be tested on a larger scale before it can be thought of as a good business idea. How would you feel about holding a phone whose battery is made from a crab? Have you ever thought about the possibility that these ideas might harm nature? Please leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.